Hello highlighters, this time around I'll show you how to build Sanrio character Wonder Wheel. Yan. Wait, baka kasi marami pang di nakabuo or ibang rides yung nagawa. First, connect all the base. Yan. Then get one. Okay. Then connect all 4 rods like this. Okay. Then get another para siyang barbell. Then get one piece of this one. Then insert it here. Get another one and start getting your characters and inserting them on this base. Okay, so here's Kuromi, Cinnamoroll, My Melody, Hello Kitty, Pom Pom Puring, Pochaco, and finally the last step, insert it here. Yay!